Okay, let's sing our song and head out. Spread the word. Get your drum. Round up the troops. It's the coldest day we've had. What state do we live in? Oh, is it cold? Does it get cold in Minnesota? Yeah. I just realized how lucky we were to have this property with a forest and a meadow, a pond, all these cool different ecosystems down here.
We go outside and we go to the woods and explore. I like that we learn about a lot of things and play a lot of games.
Learning about taking care of our environment, respecting living things. Wiggle your fingers if you can remember the name of that Minnesota animal we were learning about this morning. Rye, the deer. Which way should he go?
Today we found out some clues, and today we also talked about deers.
And then the female deer, the mother, the doe. It's just a great hands-on way to learn about so many things out in nature. You're using your sense of hearing. You might use this. Maybe you can taste the air and get kids outside.
I had a deer that was colored and read a lot of stories.
Because we were here to look for a
Deer.
I try to find ways that I can incorporate the curriculum out here too. So, for instance, today we were doing the deer. We just finished a unit in our science about living and non-living.
I like finding, baby fawns. Bye, bye.